All right, guys, this is currently the lowest priced showcase home we have here in Edgewater. It's inside the cottages section, which is a maintenance-free lifestyle. It's still under construction. It's almost finished. It'll be finished in the next few weeks. Guys, this is the Canterbury floor plan. This home is currently for sale for $296,600. Which is insane that you can still buy a single family home in a golf and lake community, master plan community with a restaurant, with a private marina. It's the primary bedroom. $296,600. It's 1,140 square feet, and it's 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. That was the primary. Here is the second bedroom and bathroom. So imagine being an hour away from Charlotte, having a brand new home. This is a guest full bathroom for less than $300,000. This won't last long. It just came back. It was under contract and the contract fell through. The HOA fees inside of the cottages are $200 a month. That includes all your lawn maintenance and your trash as well. And you have access to 2 pools, a private marina, an $18 million restaurant that sells $13 burgers and fries. You have access to the gathering green, 2 tennis courts in this neighborhood, a social calendar that's absolutely full of mahjong, bridge, card games, yoga, Zumba. The 2 pools are going to open up in the middle of April. And then you also have access to Lakeside Pavilion, a beautiful double lot we kept on the lake for all of our residents. And for $200 a month in HOA fees, you have access to all of that. Once again, less than $300,000 for a single family home in a neighborhood that we sell 20 homes a month in. This is the Canterbury model. I'm Blake Lomberger. Give me a call, 843-810-0788 if you or a client would like to buy this.